Hey, what's up everyone? James here, and welcome to Good Dude TV. On this episode, we're going to be exploring an abandoned building that we just stumbled upon driving down the highway. It was pretty interesting, like this mural that's behind me. This is called the Melting Point, located here in Mesa, Arizona. You're not going to want to miss out on this video, so sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so there you have it for this video on the random abandoned building that we found along the highway. If you enjoyed this content, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment down below what you thought of this video. Also check out GoodDudeApparel.com. We just launched these sick new hats. Get you one while you can. I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you all for watching. Be safe exploring out there.